Hey guys, it's John from Tri5 Garage. I have some exciting news. I'm pleased to announce that I am now a brand ambassador for FLF Racing Supply, and a package came the other day with some stuff that I ordered, so let's unbox this and see what we have. All right, got a nice hat here. FLF. So whether you're building a street car, full out race car, rock crawler, they have really nice stuff. Right now I'm using Dash 8 for this 55 back here, and I had to order some Dash 8 hose, some 90s, some straight connectors. So let me take some of these out of the box and show them here, so what they look like. I've used some other stuff in the past on that Jungle company, and they were okay, but these are really nice. The edges are really sharp on the connectors, and this is PTFE that we're using here. Let's see what the ferrule looks like. This looks good. That's a 90. Let's see what the straight looks like. Shout out to Thompson Motorsports over there in the back. They built this really nice 408 for me. Can't wait to get it started with this. This box is in my way. It's got their logo right on there too, FLF. See if I can turn this around. FLF. I also ordered, they have some nice stuff to route the hose, keep it on the chassis. And I ordered this double-stepped 8AN chassis connector. It's got a hole right here. And it's got this, it's stepped in the back so it won't come apart or fall off when you connect the two hoses together. Pretty nice stuff. So if you click the link in my bio, you can take it right to their website. And if you use the coupon code Maxwell, MAXWELL, that'll save you another 5% off on your order. So head over to FLF Racing Supply and take a look.